Starting a career as a digital marketing freelancer can be both exciting and rewarding, offering flexibility, autonomy, and the potential for significant income. But how do you navigate to this fast paced competitive landscape? Enter Digital Marketing Freelance Roadmap, your ultimate guide to building a successful freelance career in digital marketing. First, it's important to understand the diverse skills required from SEO and social marketing management to content creation and email marketing. Digital marketing encompasses various domains. As a freelancer, you'll need to master these areas to stay ahead in the game. Start by gaining foundational knowledge through online courses and hands on practice. Building a portfolio with real world projects, even if they are for personal brands or small businesses, it is the key to showcase your capabilities. Next, establishing a strong online presence is crucial. Platforms like LinkedIn, Behance, and Fiverr can help you connect with potential clients. Remember, your personal brand matters. Create a professional website, craft a compelling LinkedIn profile, and actively engage on social media. Networking with industry professionals and attending webinars or local meetups can open doors for collaborations and opportunities. As you gain experience, your focus should shift towards building long term client relationships. Freelancers often face the challenge of finding clients consistently, but with a strong network and a reliable reputation, word of mouth can be a powerful tool. In addition to your skills and network, understanding the business side of freelancing is like setting rates, managing contracts, and maintaining a work life balance is essential for sustaining your freelance career. By following this digital marketing freelance roadmap, you will be on your way to creating a thriving freelance business that not only offers financial freedom, but also lets you work on projects that excite you. Before we commence, experience live and interactive learning with this comprehensive digital marketing master's program. Learn to leverage ChatGPT and generative AI tools for digital marketing. Additionally, you will receive a Meta Certified Digital Marketing Associate exam in the program. This online master in digital marketing program gives you in-depth understanding and advanced knowledge of 8 most digital marketing domains and includes real-world projects for gaining domain experience to help you become industry ready. You'll be exposed to 30 digital marketing tools, intensive project experience, and a digital marketing capstone to make you job ready. Key features like industry recognized digital marketing specialist certificate from Simplilearn, live classes delivered by digital marketing industry experts, learn to leverage ChatGPT and other latest generative AI tools for digital marketing. Free Meta Certified Digital Marketing Associate exam voucher worth $99. Learn 35 plus digital marketing tools, 5 capsule problem statements, and 15 plus course and projects, 10 plus case studies from brands like Adidas, KFC, Nike, Intel, etc. Simplilearn's Job Assist will help you get noticed by top hiring companies. 14 plus skills covering website creation, behavioral marketing, keyword research, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, campaign management, social media marketing, content strategies and campaigns, analytics on ROI and evaluation, AI automation and emerging technologies, generative AI tools, and a lot more. Ready to build your future? Enroll now and take the first step towards becoming a digital marketing expert. Now, let's have a small quiz. Which of the following is not a recommended tool for SEO? Your options are SEMrush, Ahrefs, Canva, and last option, Google Analytics. Don't forget to leave your answers in the comment section below. Before moving forward, I request you guys to don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates from Simplilearn. Now, let's get started with Digital Marketing Freelance Roadmap for 2026. Starting a freelance digital marketing career in 2026 offers many opportunities, particularly as businesses continue to embrace digital strategies. Here's a detailed roadmap to guide you in your journey. First, select your niche. Digital marketing fields cover a wide range of services from SEO to social media management. Specializing in one area allows you to focus on your efforts to build expertise and attract clients who are specifically looking for your skill set. Popular niches include SEO, optimizing websites to rank higher on search engines, PPC, or also known as pay per click advertising, managing paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads and social media. And next one is social media marketing, which is about growing businesses' presence on the platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Next comes email marketing, creating effective email campaigns for lead generation and customer retention. Followed by that, we have content marketing, crafting valuable content to attract and engage an audience. Followed by that, we have AI powered marketing, utilizing AI tools for automating tasks and creating personalized marketing strategies. So, focusing on a niche helps you become an expert, making it easier to market your services. Now, let's discuss about acquiring relevant skills. Acquire relevant skills in digital marketing requires broad set of skills, but mastering the essentials of your chosen niche is the key. SEO tools. Familiarize yourself with tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Google Analytics, which are essential for tracking performance and optimizing websites. Advertising platforms. Learn the ins and outs of Google Ads, Meta Ads, and other ad platforms to help clients drive traffic and generate leads. Followed by that, we have content creation. Skills in writing, graphic design, and video editing will help you produce high quality marketing content for various formats. Next, we have AI tools. AI is transforming market. Learn how to leverage AI driven platforms for automation, data analysis, and personalized marketing campaigns. And gaining hands on experience with these tools will set you apart in competitive freelance market. Now, let's focus on portfolio. A strong portfolio is your best marketing tool. It demonstrates your skills and gives potential clients confidence in your abilities. Next is website. Create a professional website that showcases your services, past work, and case studies. It's your online business card. Social media presence. Keep active profiles on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook where you can share your work and expertise to attract clients. Next is creating a website. Create a personalized and professional website that showcases your services, past works, and case studies. It's your online business card. Followed by that, we have social media presence. Keep your active profiles on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook where you can share your work and expertise to attract clients. Followed by that, we have client testimonies. Ask your previous clients for a feedback and testimonials. Having positive reviews go a long way in building trust. An immersive portfolio will not only demonstrate your capabilities, but also serve as a proof of your work and the results you can deliver. Now, let's target your online presence. Being visible online is essential for attracting clients and networking with other professionals. So, let's go with the first one. Freelance platforms. Create profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms can connect you with global audience of clients. Next is networking. Join digital marketing groups on LinkedIn and Facebook to stay updated, ask questions, and engage with others in your industry. Followed by that, we have content sharing. Share blogs, insights, and relevant industry content on your social media profiles to build your reputation and show off your expertise. A strong online presence can lead to new opportunities and ensure that you remain on top of the mind for potential clients. Now, let's discuss about outreach and client acquisition. To grow your freelance business, proactive client acquisition is the key. Cold emails. Reach out to your potential clients by sending personalized, targeted emails with a clear value proposition. Next is referrals. Build strong relationships with your clients and ask them to refer you to others once you have completed a project successfully. Followed by that, we have networking events. Attend industry-specific events, webinars, and conferences. These are great opportunities to meet potential clients and partners. Proactively seeking new businesses will help you scale your freelance career and keep a steady stream of clients coming in. Now, let's take a look at quality work and feedback. Providing excellent service and high quality work will ensure repeat business and referrals. Timely delivery. Meeting deadlines shows your professionalism and help you build trust with your clients. Exceeding expectations. Strive to deliver more than what's expected, whether it's offering additional recommendations or going above and beyond the work. Followed by that, we have feedback. Always ask for a feedback after completing a project. Not only does this help you improve your work, but also helps you with future client acquisition. Delivering excellent results consistently will help you build a loyal client base and grows your freelance business. Lastly, the importance of staying updated with the industry trends. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, so staying informed about the latest trends and tools is critical. Continuous learning is the first one. Regularly take courses, read blogs, and attend workshops to keep your skills current. Marketing platforms and strategies evolve rapidly, and staying ahead of the curve will give you a competitive edge. Follow industry leaders. Follow thought leaders in digital marketing on social media and blogs to stay on the top of new trends, tools, and strategies. Next is experiments. Don't be afraid to test new ideas and marketing strategies. This will not only improve your skills but also ensure that you stay innovative and relevant. Being proactive about learning will help you maintain an edge in the competitive freelance market and provide more value to your clients. By following this roadmap, you can successfully establish and grow your freelance digital marketing career in 2026. Success in this field requires ongoing effort, adaptability, and continuous learning. The digital marketing landscape is dynamic, and those who stay up to date provide value and continuously enhance their skills and will thrive. And with that, we have come to an end of this session on digital marketing freelance roadmap for 2026. If you have any queries regarding any of the topics covered in this session, or if you require the resources that we have used in this session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to assist you as early as possible. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.